Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to charge a Volvo V40 battery, full guide. First, park the car on level ground, engage the parking brake, and switch off all electrical loads. Disconnect negative terminal first, then positive, using insulated tools. Clean terminals with a wire brush and apply baking soda solution if corrosion is present. Set the charger to the battery's rated voltage and amperage, connect positive then negative, and begin charging while monitoring voltage. Start by checking voltage and inspecting the battery for damage in a calm, methodical way. If the battery is serviceable, check and top electrolyte levels with distilled water only. Clean clamp contacts and remove heavy corrosion so the charger can communicate properly. Choose a slow, smart charge where possible to preserve battery life, and set the charger to the correct voltage and maximum safe amperage for a Volvo battery. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support future car guides and tips. Quick recommendation: the product seen here is the new Kindle Paperwhite, great for reading manuals and service notes on the go and perfect for waiting during a charge. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals if interested. It helps the channel, and now let's get back to the video. Connect the charger carefully and start with the positive lead first, then negative, to reduce spark risk and protect electronics. Prefer a smart charger with an automatic finish or maintain mode to prevent overcharge and prolong battery life. Monitor voltage rise and allow the charger to complete its cycle before disconnecting. Reattach terminals securely, start the engine to verify a healthy charge, and consider a short drive to top up the alternator.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.